Oh, okay. I don't know what they call this Misery Ridge. This was easy. Looks like we are almost, if not at the top here. Either way, good spot to take a break. Again, I'm not tired. It's an easy hike. Oh.
Under the palm trees in the California sun, sand underneath our feet, the morning's just begun. I don't remember much.
Good afternoon, or nearly noon, everybody. It is Friday, May the 30th? Yes, 30th. 2025, and we are here in Oregon. Today we're at Smith Rock State Park, and we're gonna climb that, I believe. We're doing a trail. I believe it's this trail that kind of runs right here on the side of the mountain, called Misery Ridge Trail. Sounds lovely, doesn't it? The stats on it are about as lovely as you think. It is a shorter hike, only about 2.8 miles, and that is out and back. But it is about 1,100 feet of elevation gain. I don't know what that is, but future Kyle will put it here at the bottom about how much that is in meters. We got some horses here. So this is a super popular park, as you can see. There's cars parked all the way on this side here, and then up there, and then there's a private lot, and then some of these farms here. I think that farm back there was actually had private parking. You could pay park in their yard. So super popular, especially and it's a Friday, but a weekday at noon. So make sure you get here early, especially when the weather's nice, because it seems to be rather popular. So it says the average person for this 2.8 mile hike, the average person finishes in about 2 hours. So a lot of elevation, and today it is hot. It is about 80 degrees right now, and it's supposed to get up to somewhere around 88 today. And I don't know if you can see in the sky, there is only, I think there's a cloud. Oh no, it's gone. There was a cloud earlier. No clouds anymore. So I believe we can go in here because I think they kind of converge. So we can go ahead.
Well, aren't we Rimrock Trail?
No, we are Misery Ridge Trail. But I think they all converge, so we can just start.
Okay.
And because they all converge eventually, we just have to get across the river and then to the right. Yeah. Yeah. Looks like it is heavily traveled, so hopefully other people will find the rattlesnakes for us, but there are rattlesnakes in the area. It is hot day, so hopefully we do not see them, but they could be out today. Sorry. So here's the river. So I wonder if we have to go down to go back up. So yeah, 80 to 88 degrees today, which I think is somewhere near 35 Celsius. Future Kyle will put the right thing right there, what 88 is. Okay, so here's our first really good view of the park here. How much was parking? How much? 10?
Yeah.
$10 for parking. So if you do come, make sure you're ready to pay. Wow.
And location.
Okay, so yeah, here we go. So it looks like we're gonna have to go down all the way to the water to go up. Yeah, that's fine. Misery Ridge doesn't start till we cross the water. Somebody's having a good time.
Hey, do it.
It's gonna be really good for your video.
He must have done Misery Ridge.
Yeah. He said, you can do it. This is gonna be great for your video.
Yeah, so yeah, no drones.
Did you put it away?
No, it's light though, it's okay.
Okay.
Okay, so I mean, look at this view we are getting down here. Yeah, so we need to cross right down there, and then that zigzaggy there, I believe, is us to Misery Ridge.
Confidence in our trail master is just on point.
Okay, I will take a quick break from videoing so we can confirm where we are going.
I trust you.
Okay. I'll get you some views and then I'll catch back up with you once we get to the trailhead.
Just from the human touch, and now I want more. And now my memory slowly coming back, cracks a smile upon my face, but then it all turns black.
Okay, so we just came down there and I did confirm that we need to cross the river here, and then you go straight across and there's a little zigzaggy trail. You can see there's a couple people on right now, and then we head up this way. So this is going to be the start of our hike, and there is going to be very little, if any, shade, so I'm going to enjoy this few seconds of shade before we start heading up to the top of that rock. Shouldn't be too difficult. So this here is my happy face before the hike, and I'll show you my happy face at the end of the hike, because it's going to be no problem and I'm going to enjoy the whole thing. Oh wow, it's so hard to explain, but it is much higher than it looks in the video. Huge. Okay, so we need to go, which is basically straight ahead here. There, Misery Ridge Trail. Misery Ridge, steep, rough trail. Let's go.
Thinking about tonight, now it's gonna be your last. And now my mind is a mess, my heart is pounding fast. Oh, I wish that you could stay. I don't care about the other one, I don't care about what you've done. Oh, I wish that you could stay. I don't know how it's gonna be, but it's gonna be you and me. From the look in your eyes, you need to get away, but I'll make you promise.
Okay, so we're kind of getting just about or just over level with where we started there, so we dropped all the way down and we're about back up to where we were, even with the parking lot. We are just about almost 7/10 of a mile. This is Redwall. We got some climbers here, so you can see there is some climbing if that's what you want to do, and it has taken us about 20 minutes to get this just over a half a mile. We've taken some short 20-second breaks just to rest at spots, pacing ourselves on the way up. So trying to make sure everybody stays hydrated. Okay, back to the hike. Okay, so now it looks like we're getting to the spot here where we were seeing from where we parked, just over there. It kind of rounds up the hill here. done with the switchbacks for the most part. I think there's only a few more left. At least that's what it showed on the map. So getting a view here of the other side of that rock now, and we're seeing just more amazing stuff here. It's pretty crazy, the topography here, because as you're driving in, there's not a whole lot going on. There's some mountains and stuff, and then this thing just kind of pops out of the middle of nowhere, and it's pretty awesome. Okay. And you can see there's trails here. If you do not want to do Misery Ridge, there are trails here just along the river on both sides. It looks like you can, from this parking lot, you can just hike down there and go along the river. Okay. Yeah. So we're gonna keep on moving here, and I'll meet back up with you when we get closer to the top. We are almost 3/4 of the way through, or 3/4 of a mile up.
So let's make the most of it. I remember what you said. Up in the Ferris wheel, we're kissing in the shades. Oh, I wish that you could stay. I don't care about the other ones. I don't care about what you've done. Oh, I wish that you could stay. I don't know how it's gonna be, but it's gonna be you and me.
Okay. I don't know what they call this Misery Ridge. This was easy. Looks like we are almost, if not at the top here. Either way, good spot to take a break. Again, I'm not tired. It's an easy hike. Okay. Sun really gets you. I got sunscreen getting in my eyes the whole way up, makes it a lot more difficult. But I got a musher behind me, keeping me moving. Okay. Okay, so we have a map here so we can see exactly where we are, and we can decide which way we want to go. Ooh. Okay, so we are somewhere in this white spot. Oh, there's a star. It was right there. So if we want to, we can continue down to Monkey Face. Looks like it just goes down, and then you can continue all the way down this Mesa Verde Trail to River Trail and back, or we can just go back the way we came. So
I'm good with either. Whatever you guys decide.
we'll have to take a few minutes, drink a bunch of water, make a calculated decision if we want to do the long way, because I think the other way takes us an extra mile, but it is a slower downhill, less steep, or if we want to take the steep way that's shorter. So we're going to enjoy some views here, and we'll get back with you. Okay, so we've enjoyed some of our views here from the top, and somebody has started to live up to the name of the hike, and it seems to be pretty miserable. It is somebody's nap time. So the rest of the trail, if you do the rest of the trail, goes up here, and then you go down, and there's a spot called Monkey Face. There's a rock called Monkey Face. From there you have to either come back all the way back up and down, or you can go all the way around and down another mile. But we're gonna go ahead and head straight down. So sorry about that. So we are going to go ahead and just go head down from here. It's his nap time, and he's losing his patience. So hopefully on this walk down he'll fall asleep and it'll be peaceful again. So, I'm gonna go ahead and close the video up here. If you like the video, hit the like button now. Comment if you have any comments, questions, anything like that, anything we missed. What else is there to do here at Smith Rock State Park? And subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe now for more awesome baby crying at the tops of mountains. Until then, we'll see you in the next one.